Ever notice something feels cleaner on your Galaxy home screen after the latest update, but you can't quite tell what changed? Samsung just made a tiny tweak in One UI 8.5 that most people will miss. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. Samsung has rolled out the One UI 8.5 beta for the Galaxy S25 series, and alongside new features and camera improvements, it brings a subtle but interesting design change to the home screen. With the second beta update, Samsung fixed missing camera features and introduced a more powerful camera assistant. The UI also got refined further. After polishing things like the battery icon, Samsung has now quietly adjusted the home screen page dots. On Samsung phones, page dots sit at the bottom of the home screen to show which page you're on. The main home page has a small house icon, while the rest are simple dots. In One UI 8.5, Samsung has reduced the size of these page indicators. In comparison, One UI 8.0 still uses the same larger dots introduced back in One UI 7.0. The new beta makes them smaller and less distracting. This might sound minor, but it actually makes a big difference. The dots don't clutter your wallpaper anymore, and the home screen looks cleaner, more minimal, and more premium, without removing the indicators completely. Right now, it's unclear whether this change is a deliberate design decision or just a baited glitch. But honestly, it feels like a welcome improvement. Even if it's unintentional, many users would prefer Samsung to keep it. These small tweaks prove that Samsung is refining the Galaxy experience at every level, not just with flashy features. From animations and app icons to tiny UI elements like page dots, everything is being fine-tuned. Samsung is already working on the third One UI 8.5 beta, expected to roll out in January 2026. The stable version is set to launch in March 2026, alongside the Galaxy S26 series. If you love discovering hidden One UI changes and Samsung tips before everyone else, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.